Ticker symbol SDRL, requested over here on InvestorsHangout.com. Currently traded at 53 cents. That's 0.53 with a volume of 6 million. The average volume for the last 20 days has been roughly 6 million shares. I would definitely say that this one has steady volume coming into it. That is definitely for sure. Right now, you guys are at 53 cents. Looks like it's going to be a low of this stock. Taking a look back over here as well, since December 14th of 2016 has just been essentially a drop off from the $4 mark up there as well, getting as high over here on December 12th, the high of $4.59 right here, pulling down, coming back down to where you're currently at right now, 53. I'm going to put that support level down there at 50. That is going to be a must hold. If that one breaks out, I think that this one's just going to continue, or breaks rather. I think that this one might continue to drop. We're going to be watching for a break of 56, most importantly 66 to turn this one bullish. As far as I'm concerned right now, this one is still in a bearish territory, getting beat up by the bears. Earnings expected over here on May 24th. See what happens there. Going to drop, or is it going to pop?
All right, so I mean, this one right here, these kind of companies, it's on the New York Stock Exchange, and it's a foreign entity, so it's you got to go through the 6Ks and the 20Fs and everything else. There's a lot of research when it comes to these ones. So their latest press releases, it was on May 1st. It was SDRL. Seadrill agrees to sell 3 jackups for $225 million. So Seadrill Limited announces, this was on May 1st, announces that it has reached an agreement with Shelf Drilling to sell the West Triton, West Resolute, and West Mischief for a total consideration of $225 million, subject to customary closing conditions. The West Triton and the West Resolute are scheduled to be delivered to Shelf Drilling by the end of May 2017, and the West Mischief during 3Q 2017 after completion of its current drilling contract with NDC in Abu Dhabi. All right, so the total debt outstanding of these 3 units is $102 million, providing excess sale proceeds of $123 million. So the carrying value of the 3 units totals $415 million. A loss on disposal of $190 million is expected to be realized for the first quarter of 2017. All right, so this right here, I mean, on May 17th, they had another press release, and it was just stating that they're going to have their earnings release and conference call information. So the Q1 conference call and everything else, it's scheduled to release its Q1 2017 results on Wednesday, May 24th, 2017. So in connection with the earnings release, a conference call webcast will be held as described below. And it's basically the conference call is at 12 p.m. and everything else. So that press release right there for all the links to go to it and everything else is there. They just go right over to the SDRL board on Investors Hangout. You'll see right under the recent news. So the May 17th, you'll see the links to go to all that stuff. And then if you want to continue doing more due diligence on Seadrill Limited, just go through on that board. You'll see the company profile, the time and sales, the recent news, the filings, the financials, the buy rating. And as always, if you have an opinion on it, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have used in Investors Hangout daily by posting right over there on that SDRL board.
That's right. SDRL right here is, as I said on the chart, 53 cents right now. Resistance at 56.66. Support at 50 is a must hold. A support at 66. A break of 66 would be bullish in my opinion. And remember, all the stuff that Joe is just talking about, available, all this data, a lot of data, not only for this stock, but all stocks completely free over here on InvestorsHangout.com. If you'd like to participate in our next live show, you can do so as well. InvestorsHangout.com/live.